What's up everybody, Sam Acevedo. I'm super excited today. Gonna open up the lip, okay? I've been waiting for this. Ever since I saw this 335, I knew exactly the lip that I wanted. I purchased the Arkym lip. Let's see what it looks like. Woo-wee. This looks nice. So I ordered it from Rush Customs. In fact, I ordered a bunch of parts from Rush Customs. The dude there, super nice. This is part of my first order. I don't see any pre-drilled holes. So we're more than likely gonna have to use self-tappers. I think it'll work. I think it looks really good. So first step is I want to make it easy on myself, not take shortcuts, so I'm gonna remove the bumper. Remove the bumper, set it up on the table. I'll show you guys the fit, man. I may even pre-drill holes and then bolt it up. Maybe even stick some double-sided tape on it and then bolt it back to the car. Should look really good. So as you can see, the bumper is off the car. And it's a good thing I took it off because I realized or noticed that this thing got no under tray. It's got nothing protecting the underneath of from the bumper back. So another thing I gotta put on the list. Anyways, so bumper's here. I already cleaned the bumper and in hope that when the under tray comes in, all the holes match up, and then I can use clips. Let's do that. So actually, first thing is, I already wiped this down. I'm gonna use a little bit of alcohol wipe to clean it. I prepped the lip. I put tape all over it. It's got no holes along the edge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tack it with the tape, and then once that's in place, I'm going to drill holes lining up to the bumper holes. There you have it, guys. It took a long time, a trip to AutoZone. As you can see, it's dark. I mean, we're talking a few hours. This was not expected. I thought I was going to spend maybe 45 minutes on it, in and out, took forever. The carbon fiber is so stiff, you can't mold it onto the bumper. I removed the bumper. I thought that was going to be easier. Didn't help because there's no structure to the bumper. It was flopping everywhere. I couldn't align it, so then I tried on the car itself. Self-tapped some screws. That wasn't working. Removed it again. What I ended up doing was getting a screw and nut and tightening these from the inside of the bumper, and that's holding that up. There's some new double-sided tape across the bumper on the inside of the bumper, which shows a little bit, which I'm gonna have to go in with a blade and remove some of it. I'm a little disappointed on the installation. I think the lip looks great. I ordered a new bumper because I do have that crack on the left, as you know. So there's going to be a redo. I may have the body shop do it. Who knows? If not, I'm going to scrap the Arkym and then just get the lips on each side. It's probably a reason why people go that route. I think the lip itself is great quality. I mean, super stiff. There's got to be like 10, 15 self-tappings underneath this. I don't think the lip is going to come off. My bumper may come off. The lip definitely is not going to come off. I think that'll be it for this video. What I'm going to do is I'll give you a couple day shots. I'll do that tomorrow. This way you can kind of see what it looks like from the front, from the side. I do like that it matches the rear lip and soon the mirror caps. But until then, I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll check you guys on the next one.